Hi guys, I am back and this time I have a Temu nail haul. This is actually my second order from Temu and I decided to go ahead and show y'all what I purchased. My total order was I think 44.49 is coming up on the screen here, 44.49. And sorry about the little haze at the bottom of the screen. That's my light was too close to my iPad camera. It goes away eventually, but for a little bit you can still see it. It's just a little hazy, so my bad. And so I'm just cutting that open. And my first haul, I got a few nail supplies and a few like little household things. But this one is strictly, I got a lot of stuff. Well, not a lot of stuff, but I got some items for my nail room. So the first item coming up, these are just some napkins. They're napkins, they're lint free, 20 piece. And the price is on the screen there. Again, the total for my order was $44.99. I then got, these are actually fruit picks. And I felt like I could use these to clean up the cuticle area. They're disposable. I thought they were cute. They had somewhat different fruit on there, but then when I pulled them out, they're not, I don't think they are pointy enough, so they could be used as stir dip powder, or actually you could use them in the kitchen if you wanted to, ultimately, if you needed some fruit picks. The next item is like a nail brush tray that you can use, and so I do have a little stand-up holder on my nail desk, but this one I can use while I'm actually recording. It's just readily available. You can set your nail things on there. The next item, I got a bag. I think that's a bag of pipettes coming up. No, it's actually a nail brush. You could pick between 4 colors. Of course, I chose blue because it's my favorite color, but I could have went with clear as well. Now, one thing with the bristles, the little case thing was cracked and the bristles were wiry. Now I'm not sure what that was on the bristles there. Don't know, but you know, it's going to do what it needs to do. Bristles were relatively they were soft and stiff at the same time, and so of course I got a bag of pipettes. I like this bag because it's resealable. 100 pipettes for the Lolo. If I were to purchase this on Amazon, it was going to be at least $7, and I didn't pay that by shopping on Temu. I also got some liquid chrome as well for the nail, so I'll have to try that out. Comes with a little brush and applicator. And then I have I think they called it like an eternity pencil. It doesn't require any type of lead or ink because again it's a pencil. And I was like, let me try this out. And so, of course, genius me tried to write on a paper towel, which sometimes you can write on a paper towel, but this particular one only writes on paper. And I thought that was neat. It had a lot of different options on here. So I just had my little mani planner that I rarely use. I got some old manis in there that I was planning that I never did. Shameful. And so one thing, and I do have some other items coming up as well. One thing with Temu, when I went to get the screenshots of my items I purchased, y'all, I got a 91-cent credit because the price changed. But I thought that was nice. And so I have a little mermaid brush here. I really want the one with the blue bristles, but it was out of stock. I guess that's a popular item. And so I have some blue trash bags there for my nail room. It's a lot, so I won't be running out of trash bags for a while. And also I purchased some multicolor nail stickers. Thought those were cute. Cute, cute, cute. Not that I need any more freaking nail stickers. And then I purchased some base and top coat. Now the thing is, the bottles themselves weren't labeled, but the outside packaging was. So I ended up taking a Sharpie and kind of writing a T on there and a B. I think it's the same thing, but I don't know. It's gel polish. And so again, one was top coat, one was base coat. It wasn't labeled. It was like it was the same bottle. And so just so I could take it out again, I took a Sharpie and wrote a B and a T on the bottles. I'm just curious to see if it's actually the same thing. But if I'm not mistaken, it said it was a no wipe top coat. But you know, it was under $2, I think. And then also with that same company on Temu's site, I bought some two gel polish colors that I thought were nice and perfect for spring and or summer. And so this first one is a nice teal blue. The color is just like the color of the bottle. And I only purchased this, y'all, because the bottle was pretty. And they have a bunch of different colors. I think 20 different colors. And so I was like, look how nice that bottle looks. It's the same color as the doggone polish. Again, I thought it was cute. And so I will be trying that out. I may do like a YouTube short with that. And then the next color is like a magenta color or like a bright purple. I don't even know if it's really magenta. It was like a bright purple. And again, the gel polish inside the bottle looked just like the outside of the bottle. Again, I only bought it because I thought the bottles were nice. But silly. But you know, we like things that are aesthetically pleasing to our eyes. And so, yep. But we're gonna see how that works. There was no curing times on there, so I'm gonna give it the good old 60-second cure when I do use them. I also have some just to do sticky notes or whatever. You can write on those. I can use them for work, or I can use it for a mani planner. Real quick, like what I want to put on each nail, just so that it speeds along the process. And so here, y'all, I got a silicone mat. And so the reason why I wanted to try out this particular silicone mat is because I bought a silicone mat from Color My World Dips, and I think that mat was $12.99. And I was like, I don't think this is a nail mat. I was like, I really don't think this is a true nail mat. And so I purchased this. I don't know if I'm going to use it. It was kind of stuck together. And I believe the shiny side goes down. And on Temu's site, they labeled it as a mat for resin, arts and crafts, etc. It's going to get the job done when I do use it. I'm pretty sure it's probably easy cleanup with water and or alcohol. And so I'm just pulling that apart, and then I'm going to raise my camera up a little bit just so you can get a bigger view of my nail desk, and so I can show you the difference in the mats. And so here is the mat that I have down is a mat that I purchased from my first Temu purchase. And so this is the mat that I just purchased in this haul. And so you can see it's pretty much the same size. And this is not really a nail mat, y'all. It's a baking mat. It's a silicone baking mat for like cookies or whatever in the oven. And I was like, this feels just like my Color My World Dips mat. And so I bought a smaller one. Again, this is from my first Temu purchase. I bought a smaller one. And then look at here. It's the same as my Color My World Dips mat. And I was like, hold up. You mean to tell me these mats, these are silicone baking sheets? And I paid $12.99 on Etsy because it was a Color My World Dip. So, you know, y'all know I love me some Color My World Dips. But these are the same type of mats. They're baking mats. Go figure. And that's the mat that I bought in this haul here. And so I also have some additional nail stickers as well. And I think I want to do a mani just like the picture. Why not? And these are flames. I didn't mean to purchase two, but I did. I was like, why do I have two of these? Don't know what was going on when I did that. Probably just pushing buttons. And then these are kind of like filigree holographic nail stickers as well. I think those would pair well on any color on the nail, any color whatsoever. And then I also have and it's 20 sheets. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 20 sheets of that. I don't know, maybe I'll put it on my toenails. And so I do have a little wheel there with I don't forget what you call those, kind of like moon pieces. You can put them at the cuticle area. We have some flower gems, and the only thing about that, didn't have the caviar beads in there, and I didn't realize there was so many in the container. And then I bought some black ones as well. Didn't realize they were all the same size. They also came in different colors. And here we have some scrapbook paper. No, I don't scrapbook. I use these paper. I didn't realize they were so big, 12 by 12. I wasn't paying attention. I use these for my Nelfie backgrounds at the end of my videos. And so it depends on what type of mani I do. I try to find a background that looks similar to the mani. And so I do have, I'm showing you some other ones that I have that I've had quite some time. The marble ones, the lighter color marble ones, I got from AliExpress like a long time ago. And then the smaller squares, I got those off of Amazon. And so you can just zoom in. So what I do is when I finish, I just zoom in, put down what I think looks the best, and I just zoom in and take my pictures. So I post them on Instagram or at the end of my video. And then I also had purchased some Christmas ones from Amazon as well. And you can see these are significantly smaller, and it's just scrapbook paper. But again, I don't scrapbook. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed my Temu haul. Thanks for watching.